come on, baby, come on. Just let me take out this sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive.
Hey y'all, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Kriyya hair. Y'all know I can never pronounce that, but we work with them all the time. At this point, probably weekly, because they send us some amazing, phenomenal human hair. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to what's in this box, the website, and you'll see a discount code. On your way to that wig, make sure you click subscribe, okay? We don't work with them a bunch of times, y'all. Okay, I really like them because of their price points and the quality of hair that they bring. Okay, I'm not sure what's in this box because y'all know I like to do that with y'all on camera. Only thing I've done is taking this out of the packaging. So let's look together. All right, so in the box, ooh, they got some goodies. And y'all might be thinking, Jess, that's, like I always say, that's $3 worth of goodies. It matters. They gave us a little stocking cap, not a stocking cap. What do you call this? Y'all, why have I just had a brain fart like that? A stocking, Christmas stocking. Lord have mercy. They sent us some wig caps. That's sad. They sent us some hair clamps, some eyelashes, and a little scarf. Okay. They also sent this. I think this is a Christmas card. Let's see what it says together as a family. It is. Look at that, saying Merry Christmas. So sweet. Here. Okay. I know y'all don't care about that, but I do. Okay, y'all care about what wig this is. Look in the box for them details. Okay, but this is a 24-inch body wave in a natural color. Okay, you can't get more basic than that. I always say though, like there are certain wigs that I feel like you need in your arsenal. Okay. Y'all, this wig fixing to be affordable and easy. Because look at that part. This fixing to be so freaking easy. Comb in the back, small piece of lace. Ooh, y'all. Buddy. You get 13, it's a T-part wig, basically. You get 13 inches of lace going across, and then you get that lace part, a comb to the right and a comb to the left. If you're like me, like I tell y'all, I like playing in wigs. I'm a wig player, not a slayer. I don't know how to do hair, really. I just enjoy playing in hair, right? This is going to give you the ease of a synthetic unit, but the quality of a human hair unit, y'all. Look at that. And that is why I love Kriyya hair. Okay, it's curving, it's the right part. Y'all, this, yes, indeed. Y'all, it don't get much easier than that, does it? This is going to be bomb. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off camera, cut off that lace, play around with this unit, and I'm gonna come right back, y'all, because this is gonna take me all of maybe 4 minutes. Not even that. I gotta go refill my drink though, and then we'll be right back. This is like having the ease of a synthetic wig with, y'all look at that, with human hair quality. Y'all, this wig is bomb. Bim bam bomb, okay? In my head, I'm saying that the price point is affordable because of the parting space, but because of the length, it might make it a little bit more pricey. But y'all, look how gorgeous this would be if you did want a shorter length. Y'all, like you could even cut it up to here, look. A bob. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous, and that is why Kriyya, whatever, is one of my most favorite human hair companies. When people reach out to me and they'll ask me, I really want some, human hair, but I want it to be kind of affordable, but I want it to be good, without a shadow of a doubt, they're one of the first companies that I scream out, because this is what you are going to get. I can 1000% recommend that you pick this one up, y'all. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this is nothing done to it. Just my fingers right through it, swooped a few of them baby hairs haphazardly. And this is what we got. Beautiful, beautiful. I definitely recommend this one. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig and the website. I actually encourage you to look around, because I without a shadow of a doubt, I know they're gonna have other stuff on there that you would be interested in. Like I always say, you might not even be into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your cousin Kim, maybe it's your Uncle Carl, whichever one. Send them my way. And me and Kriyya, I need to figure out how to pronounce that. Hair, we'll get them together. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.